In 2008, my wife and I went for a 2-week vacation to Nepal. We ended up staying for 6 years. I'm Mark Sears, and we're building Sprout AI Studio, a venture building studio creating 8 startups at the center of human connection, relationships, and community. We got to Nepal and we went to the village, and we were shocked that there was almost no men. They all had left to go to the Gulf region and other places to find work because there was no opportunity. And so it was from that place of being a software entrepreneur, a computer nerd, from Canada, thinking, what can I do to help here? They're as smart or smarter than anyone I've ever worked with or hired. They just didn't have a lot of the same opportunity. And they wanted to learn a programming language that I knew. So I extended my plane ticket 3 weeks. We started training, 4 of us around 1 iMac. And next thing I know, we got a project and I extended it 3 months. And ultimately we ended up staying on that 2-week vacation for 6 years. Poverty was not just about how much money one has or access to resource. Beneath it, poverty is broken relationship. And so true wealth is richness in our relationships. And no matter where we were from and where we were born, that commonality really brought us together. That idea of redefining poverty has stuck with me. It shaped how I think about technology that isolates us or may weaken our relationships is actually just making us poorer. If we can use technology to actually strengthen relationship, that's what can make us truly wealthy, even if that may be harder or maybe not as profitable.